Hello everyone. Today is day 6 of our top 100 SK interview question, and today question is what is the self join? So it's a very important question in .NET interview because sometime like interview will ask you little. Because it's a little bit confusing because you already know other joins like self join, like left join, right join, inner join. So these all are common, but this is a little bit confusing and maximum time and interview will ask you same question like why we use a self join because it's a little bit complex and sometimes we are not able to understand able to answer this question. So I will try to explain this in a simple way so anyone can easily understand. So, first is what is the definition of self join? Self join is we want to join a table itself. So, this is a little bit confusing why we want to join itself. So, I will explain you. We use it when the table is a relationship within the same table. For example, I will give you a real world example. There is an employee and manager. So suppose you can have this employee table and let me move this. So we have these employee table and here we also add the manager ID. So this manager ID is not comes from the other table. This comes from same table ID we can add it. So first ID will be null. It means it's a CEO. For example, just for understanding, this is a CEO and this is second one is a Neha. So it's a manager will be a ID1. ID1 means it's a manager will be Amit. So its a manager will be Amit, and here also same ID Amit, and it's a second. So it's a manager will be a Neha. So why we use a sorry Neha. So, what is the question behind is why we use self join? So, for now, in this table, only save the ID. I want to fetch this thing. I want to fetch their name. So, with the help of self join, you can uh, add the join and then you can easily find the names of that manager also with employee name and also manager ID or manager name you can easily get here. So for this reason we can use self join because here we can add the same table ID. So here ID will be this and here will be second. So here I already give you same example. Here, for example, Amit is a CEO, and so it has no manager. Neha and Rahul reports to Amit, and similar reports to Neha. So here, why we don't use a where condition? Because where condition we can match only the one thing, but here we need to also find the all the employees manager name. So that's why we can use here self join, show employees name with their manager name. So we cannot get manager name using only where condition because manager name is in another row on the same table because if I can search ID, so here also same ID. So that's why we are not using here where condition. So we can use here self joins, for example. So I will try to give you same example here in the SQL server. So you can see here I already make some sample table. So this is our table and this is all the department and but I have to give check this manager ID. So I also want here manager name. So I want to find here also their manager name, like all the employees manager here. So I can add here self join, select e dot employee ID like this one. I can copy here and or I can copy from here. I think I already added here. I just copy this. Added here. Our This is our manager ID and this is a employee ID. So I can add here select e dot employee ID is equal to as a employee ID e dot uh, name manager dot we can take like that way is equal to manager name, and here we can match the e dot manager ID is equal to m dot employee ID. So I can run this. So you can see here we can get employees with their manager name. First one is Indu, so it says here you don't have any ID. I will open both, then you have a better understanding. So this we can get with the help of self join. We can add it here e dot employee as a employee name, m dot employee name as a manager name, and here we can matching this record. So like that way, first one is null, so we can it's not a CEO. Rahul and Indu Sharma it will be report to Indu, and Sonia will report to Rahul, and Rahul Sharma will report to Sonia. So like that way we can use the self join, because here we are save the ID of same tables. This ID we can save here. So I want to find their manager name. So that's why we can write here self join. So this is the best example for the self join, and it's a really important question in a SQL interview because it's a little bit different from other joins and it's a little bit confusing. So I will give you simple example. When we want to make a relationship with same table, that time we can use a self join. I hope you can easily understand this. And if you like this video, please like, share, and comment. It's really motivates me to make the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.